Hi guys, welcome to Filmy Fitness. This is Aman Till and today is the day 2 of 10 weeks lean gain program. Today also I will do body weight full body workout. We will start with pull-ups. Firstly, I'll hold the bar slightly wider than my shoulder width, pulling myself up and trying to touch the chin to the bar. Keeping my back tight, relax my neck and bring my shoulder away from ear. Pull-ups mainly target back muscles, but multiple muscles are involved, that is lat, trap, erector spine and external oblique. Moving on to push-ups. Keeping heels and toes together, back straight. Go down until your chest is about to touch the ground. This exercise is mainly for chest muscle, delt, triceps and abdominals. The next exercise is jump squats. They burn more calories than regular squats, while building strength in your legs, glutes and core muscles. It also tones the butt, legs and ab muscles. I keep my feet shoulder width apart, shoulder rolled back, chin should be up and look straight in the mirror. Push your buttocks out, bend your knees and assume sitting on the chair. Bend slightly forward to prevent injury. Let's begin the next exercise, that is lat pull down. I will grab the bar towards my body until it makes contact with my chest. Try to fix the position and try not to pull the weights down with jerk. This exercise is designed to develop lat muscles, which is the broadest muscle in the back. It promotes good posture and spinal stability. Moving on to the fifth exercise, that is close grip lat pull down. In this exercise, grab the bar closely with your palms facing towards your chest. Brace your core and bring your shoulder blades down and back. Pull the attachment down until it touches your chest. Don't allow the head to jut forward as you pull. The exercise targets lats, but you will notice a good amount of activation in your biceps and middle back. Next exercise is triceps dips. Grab the edge of the bench and extend my legs forward by bending at the waist. Lower my body using the elbow until my upper arm is less than 90 degrees with the forearm. Muscle targeted pectorals, trap, serratus anterior. This muscle is on the surface of the upper 8 or 9 ribs. Let's start with the tire squat. This exercise is great to build strength, condition the body and to lose weight effectively. It keeps the heart rate high. It is the great way to shock your body and activate some new muscles. From your squat position, use both the hands to grab the tire. Keeping the back straight, raise the tire in front of you as you stand. Then slam it down with force and repeat the process. Moving on to the crossover crunches. In this exercise, place your hand behind the head. Contract your abdominal muscles as you slowly raise your upper body off the mat, twisting your torso to touch the knee of the opposite leg. When you have completed the desired number of reps, switch to the other side. The last exercise is burpees. Stand with your shoulder width apart. Squat as deeply as you can by placing hand on the floor. Kick back into a push-up position and do one push-up. Bring your legs back to squat position and jump up throwing your hands above your head. Land down again and repeat. That's all for the day. See you in the evening.